Hello and welcome to the third of these videos where today I'm going to be going over the differences between speed and velocity. Having talked about the differences between distance and displacement in the previous video and the differences between scalars and vectors in the video prior to that, this will be a pretty quick topic to talk about. Starting off with speed. Speed is a scalar quantity. This means that it has a magnitude but no direction associated with it. So, an example of a speed might be 50 miles per hour. If I told you a car is traveling at 50 miles per hour, I am specifying the magnitude of the car's speed, so I'm providing a numerical value associated with the magnitude of the unit, in this case 50 miles an hour, but I'm not telling you the direction at which this car is traveling. Therefore, I'm telling you a scalar value and therefore a speed. Well, what about velocity? Well, velocity is what is known as a vector quantity. What does this mean? Well, that means that it has both a magnitude and a direction associated with it. To see the difference between the two, consider, again, the example of a ball being thrown at a speed. Let's say, in this case, 50 miles an hour to be consistent with the first video. If I tell you a ball is being thrown at 50 miles per hour, and I ask you how far this ball will travel, I am asking you a nonsensical question. Why? Because I'm not telling you the direction at which the ball is being thrown. In that case, I would only be telling you a speed, because I'm only telling you a scalar quantity, 50 miles per hour. If instead I provided you with an angle at which this ball was being thrown, let's say angle theta, I would then be giving you both a direction and a magnitude, therefore allowing you to solve for how far this ball will travel. Because in this case, I have given you both a direction and a magnitude, I have given you a velocity vector rather than just the scalar quantity of a speed. That is it for today's video. If you have any questions about the differences between speed and velocity, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.